Yo, it's your dog, Mr. Magic, you feel me? And right now I'm gonna bring my big dog against Smackola, you know I'm talking about my video, man. We just finished shooting the official You Must Be Crazy video for all the people that I can't be cursing over the air, you know what I'm talking about? Got the fire department, the policemen and stuff out here right now. I may be arrested soon. This is my boy Smackola, so before I get arrested, I just want y'all to know that this the man that's shooting the official You Must Be Crazy video all the way from Austin, Texas. You know what I'm talking about? Big shout out to Dirty Worms, because outside of him being a video man, he also in a rock band, rap rock. You know what I'm talking about? You'll be seeing us real soon. We down here in the city of New Orleans. Tell him a little bit something, Smack.
You know what I'm saying? Got a call from Magic. Told me he was returning back to the game. Played me a couple tracks. I was like, shit's hot. Definitely got at me about bringing me down. He liked my style of my videos and stuff, so I really appreciate that. You know what I mean? Looking out. I've been trying to holler at him about 2 years ago about doing it. You know what I mean?
I was sleeping. It was my fault because I'm 2 years too late. You're a young man that's hot. You know what I'm talking about? So look, for all the people down in the city and all the people everywhere that want to get you and book you, I know you got a busy schedule, but for all of them people, what can they do to get in touch with you?
You can hit me on youtube.com/DirtyMadeFilms with a Z, not an S for you Rubik's Cubes. That means you squares. You know what I mean? Get at me on there. Facebook, Smackola, Dirty Worms with a Z again.
Be on the lookout for the You Must Be Crazy video. If you want to hit your boy up, you can tweet me at Mr. Magic 504. You can get me at the website www.504magic. You know what I'm talking about? What else we got? Facebook, you dig? Mr. Magic, Mr. Magic Night Ward. You know what I'm talking about? You can hit me up. I'm back at work. Somebody go tell the world Magic is back. You heard me? This how we doing it from now to infinity, baby. 5-4 till the day I'm gone. You understand that? And we out of here.